Good day, guys. Good day, everyone. Welcome to Naira Max TV channel, where we share updates on how to make money online, legit updates on how to make money online and cryptocurrency and business-wise opportunities and a lot of stuff. Alright, so today I want to show you a legit way, a cool way to make money to earn dollars online without putting your money on investment platforms. Understand? Which most of these platforms are actually scam projects. Alright, so after this video, it's left to you to take a decision whether you want to make money. Earn money in a legit way. You understand? Alright, so let's get to work. Alright, so there's this app on my phone that has been feeding me for months now, for over 6 months now. I've been able to earn money in dollars, not in naira. And you know the way Nigeria currency is right now, when you earn money in dollars, um, you're somehow a big boy, because the conversion rate actually favors people with dollars. Having dollars in accounts. Understand? So let's get to work. So there's this app on my phone that has been helping me to make money in dollars, to earn money in dollars online, without investing on without putting my money in any investment platform. You can see how cool that is. I don't need to worry about the investment platform crashing, a lot of stuff like that. You understand? Alright, so let's get to work. Okay, so there are a lot of apps here. We have WhatsApp Business, Telegram. None of this is as important as this app. Yes, because it's one of the important is that it allows me. Yes, it enables me to decide. You know, when I want to make money. How much I want to make. You understand? You'll be able to decide that also how much you want to make. You can make money anytime you want to. You can make money on it anytime you want to. Anytime you want to, you can make money on it. So it helps you to decide how much you want to earn per day, how much you want to earn in a week, and how much you want to earn even in a month. Alright, so okay, so you can see the app here. We have Binance app. Alright, Binance Exchange app. Okay, so this is the app that has been helping me to earn money in dollars. Alright, so let's check it. Okay. Alright, so this is the interface. This app has really blessed me a lot, and it actually worth it to share it with you guys to know about it. Alright, so with this app I've been able to earn passive income and earn money in dollars. While in Nigeria. So I even stop investing on investment platform. Yeah. Why? Because I have something to bank on. Alright, so I've been able to earn passive income on this app. With this app rather. So it has really helped me a lot. So all you need to know is um, everything about this app is just about trading cryptocurrency. You understand? So it's very simple. It's just buying and selling. It's very simple. So with this app, you can also earn passive income and earn money in dollars. So you don't need to worry yourself investing on some platform, on some what's it called, HYIP platforms that promise you to pay higher returns, but at the end of the day they end up crashing. You understand? Which is very bad. For you to lose your hard-earned money, you understand? It's very bad. It's a bad thing. Some even don't really survive because they put in all their investments, all their life savings into these platforms, and you know it ended up crashing. But with this, you can earn as much as you want with with without risks of it crashing. There's nothing like crashing in a book here, you understand? There's nothing like crashing in a dictionary. So you shouldn't expect that. What you should expect is to make money on this platform. For this platform, it has been existing for a while, you understand? So it's to make money. So alright, so to get started, I know you'll be wondering how do you make money on this platform? Yeah. So to get started, check the video link below. You understand? So check the video link below to check out how to start trading on Binance. How to start trading on Binance. So I've done a video that covers how to trade on Binance even as a beginner. You understand? As a beginner. So alright, thank you very much guys. Stay blessed. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more legit updates on how to make money online. Alright, thank you very much guys.